Hello, welcome to Affiliate Marketing News for the 19th of the 10th, 2020. We start with Affiliate. Commission Factory have upgraded to version 4.0, which sees an all-new user experience and new features to help advertisers and affiliates optimize and grow their sales and commissions. The annual Performance in Live event kicks off from October 27th. Highly recommend getting a ticket and tuning into the event. It's going to be a virtual format, and the usual major players from across the affiliate marketing industry will be taking part. On to influencers. Influencers are increasingly turning to unions for support, given that some of them are being exploited by brands. The fractured nature of the influencer industry as well is also leaving some of them open and exposed to being exploited, hence why we may start to see unionization or even regulation of the space in future. The Trailer app, a video app similar to TikTok, is growing fast and are rumored to be heading for an IPO, which will help them to grow and continue to compete against TikTok and other social platforms. On to e-commerce. So something to be aware of if you're a brand is the Anti-Advertising Club. I recommend you check them out. You can see the link in the description below. They effectively pay people to attack or slander brands on social media, and you just want to make sure that you're not on their hit list, as it may damage your brand's reputation. Moving on to augmented reality news, the new Mario Kart toy, which will feature AR, is set to bring, it's going to have probably the similar impact that Pokemon Go had with augmented reality. And we could start to see AR becoming more and more of a norm. And so as a brand, you want to be aware of and be potentially investing in augmented reality yourself as well. So that's all I have for news for this week. Subscribe and stay tuned for regular content.